Come with us today as we take a trek up to Coniston Old Man. Have a swim in low water. Come all the way down. Have a swim in the famous Coniston Coppermines waterfall. After that, we'll be heading back along the road which I'm on now to have a final dip in Churchbeck. Right here, open this gate. Off you go. Today we're going to have a nice little trek up to the Old Man of Coniston. Have a nice swim in low water out there. It's probably the best tarn that I've ever swam in low water. If you want to know how to get any of these locations that you're about to see, check my locations playlist. I've got full step-by-steps in there. Don't forget to follow this channel, guys, and remember, get outdoors, get stuck in, because life's an adventure. Look how pretty that gate is. That's it. Well done. Here's the Coppermines. I'll follow you. Don't forget, guys, if you want a free step-by-step guide to all these locations that I've been today, check out my locations playlist for some of the best spots in the Lake District. And of course, don't forget to save, share your friends and follow. You need to save your energy, trust me. We're gonna need it. Dad's always already running on half empty. No cap. Running on fumes already. We're only about 1/5 the way there. Wish us luck. Check out them views. This is what we do it for. And when it comes to hiking, I used to be a bit of an elitist. And I used to think people were stupid for not wearing them big boots. I use a big pair of Altbergs, big army boots, but I tell you what, doing this today, days like today, I'm really glad that I chose to wear a little pair of trail shoes, running trainers today. Because by God, even though the boots protect you from your ankles rolling, protects your toes from getting stubbed, got lots of good safety measures in them. Mine must weigh about 1 kilo each, and taking that load off makes a hell of a difference. I probably wouldn't need to have a break by now for wearing trainers. So yeah, don't fucking judge no one. You do you. Go for it. You can stop and have a little look. Give me a rest. Whew. Oh, you feel that nice cool breeze.
Whoa. Wait, I feel like there's like something in there.
Might be.
There's a lock in it?
Nice stop for a rest to cool down. Cool air coming out of this main shaft.
Yeah. It's so cool. Okay, waterfall that I went to, where there was really slippery rocks and
Alright guys, just arrived at low water up on the Old Man of Coniston. Conditions don't look ideal, but let's get stuck in. Oh, yeah, it gets colder the further you go. Woo. Oh, get your hands used to it. Oh. That is really cool today. Whoa. Oh.
Yep, it's always windy when it's cold.
Come on. You get yourself ready for it before I swim.
I'm just quickly putting my feet in, walking across to the other rock.
Okay. I'm going for it.
I don't think it's my feet, I think it's my knees. Oh, but I'm getting used to it at least. I knew you was going to do that. 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo! Woo!
Whoa, yeah.
Whoa! Oh, that's cool. Oh. Woo! Now that was refreshing. Oh wow.
Like right over here, you can see it's literally like a cliff.
Oh, you're making us want to jump back in now, man.
It's literally like a cliff.
Just come out.
Oh, let me get
Take your time. It's easy to trip on the way down.
So I want the breeze of the tunnels again. I feel like exercising more. On the way down, you literally just come in.
Right, we're going this way. Look at the sheep. It's alright, you can get one from the waterfall. Look at that waterfall. Beautiful there. Come on. Onto the Coppermines waterfall. Here we come. Stop number 2. It's a nice layer. Oh, someone's went on an adventure, look. Looks like there's 2 people. There's one in there, judging by the 2 bikes. Hopefully they come back out in one piece. You're doing a good job by walking in front, you're showing people where to go. Gross. Absolute filth. If you're the type of person that leaves loads of shit like this behind, stay the fuck away from the outdoors, you filthy animal. Come on. Look at that water. Now that's what I'm talking about. Get the fuck outdoors, be authentic and enjoy yourself. That's what life's all about. Thank you. Darling, are you okay? Yeah. Right, let Daddy go first. Check it out, guys, yet another beauty of Coniston. Coniston Copper Mines has got all the best waterfalls. Look at this. Church Beck, how amazing. Hang on a second, I'll take you in with us. Woo. Can't even get close from the force. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I'm always saying, life's an adventure. Get outdoors, get stuck in, be authentic and express yourself. Get in there. So Aurora, I enjoyed your time in the Lake District with Dad. And by the way, I'm bending down so I'm lower for you. You don't have to bend down with us. You had fun?
Yeah.
You love being outdoors?
Yeah.
Are you a little adventure girl?
Yeah.
Mwah. Love you. Time to head back to the car. I've had a lovely day out. Hit 3 of our favourite swim spots. Low water up on Old Man Coniston? Coniston Old Man. Yeah, that's it. And after low water we hit the Coniston Copper Mines waterfall, the famous one that everybody loves. And then after that we've just hit Church Beck, which I've passed hundreds of times, but from above I was like, nah, it doesn't look that good. I saw a bunch of people swimming it later. I was like, I've got to give that a go. I've been missing out. It's absolutely lush down there. It's different. It's not the crystal clear blue water, but it is lovely. It's just more of a, it's like a dark fantasy foresty type swim, and it's very unique. But yeah, check me location guides for all the locations to all these swims. Check me playlist locations on TikTok, and hope you guys have a great day. And always remember, life's an adventure, so be yourself, be authentic and get outdoors.